Video, I'll be showing you how to remove a dishwasher. Each dishwasher has just three things you want to be familiar with. You have a power source, which is feeding 120 volts to your dishwasher. You have your supply line. This is what feeds the water. The supply line is always going to come from the hot water side or the angle stop. And then you also have your drain hose. What you want to do is you want to unplug your power supply. Here we have the supply for our dishwasher. You want to make sure you turn the angle stop to the off position. Once you ensure that the water is off, you want to just turn on a water source. Usually when your dishwasher is connected on the hot side, you'll have your faucet, which is connected to the bottom, and you'll want to make sure that the water is turned off by turning your faucet to the hot position. Once you ensure that the water is off, you're basically just going to remove the supply line. At this point, your drain hose will be connected to one of two places. This is an air gap. This is what allows the water to drain through the air gap and into your garbage disposal. Sometimes if you do not have the air gap, usually on older houses, the drain line is tied directly into the garbage disposal itself. So go ahead and just remove that drain hose. Remove your drain hose. Go ahead and take that clamp and put it to the side. You can use this on your new dishwasher drain hose. I'm going to push these brackets down, and this will allow us to slide it out, and we'll do that on both sides. Here we've pulled our dishwasher forward. I'm going to feed through our power supply, our drain, and our water supply line so that we can remove this dishwasher. One last tip that I want to share is in regards to the water valve here on the bottom of the dishwasher. So here I just flipped the dishwasher upside down. One of the issues that you're going to encounter a lot of times is when you're trying to turn the angle stop to the supply line, the angle stop is usually filled with corrosion, or it's too hard to turn off all the way. So one of the techniques that I like to do is I like to remove the valve from the dishwasher. So right now, let's just for illustration's sake, let's say right now your supply line is still connected to your angle stop, but you can't turn the water off to your angle stop. What you would do is you would leave the angle stop connected, the water supply connected to your angle stop, and then you would just remove this water valve right here. I'm just removing the bottom plate panel. This is just going to give me access right here. And most of the dishwashers, you'll have access. The screws will be here, or will be somewhere here on the side. So here, I removed my two screws that are securing my water valve to the frame of the dishwasher. And if my angle stop was not able to shut off and my supply line was still plugged into the angle stop, I could still just remove my valve, disconnect my prongs or my leads at the bottom. That would allow me to remove my dishwasher. Here I loosen my clamp on my hose to my valve. Now we're just going to remove this hose. Allow me to remove my dishwasher, and you can see here my valve is still connected. My supply line is still connected to my angle stop, and here this would allow me to go ahead and remove the dishwasher without having water pouring out of my angle stop. You would find your water heater or your shutoff for your hot water coming in, and you would turn that to the off position. And once you do that, that will allow you to remove your supply line and remove and replace the angle stop. Remember, your dishwasher is supposed to be connected to your hot water for it to clean effectively. If it was a help, if it was informational, please subscribe.